Helo, a chroeso i raglen radio Ysgol Llanhari gyda fi Elin,
fi Myfi,
fi Lucy,
fi Marged,
a fi Mali.
Menter Rhondda Cynon Taf promote and deliver Welsh language activities and services throughout the county in order to ensure that the Welsh language belongs to all of us, no matter what your traditional or historic linguistic background. We want to ensure that everybody has a right to use and to hear and to enjoy this important part of our culture. So we deliver children's services, youth services, we organise events and activities throughout the year. And the Hanfod Cymru grant is going towards and is already being used to target young people, or older young people, to ensure that they continue to use the Welsh language once they've left Welsh medium education. So already we have used the grant in order to run DJ courses, to run radio workshops, to run music courses, and we have ensured that over 3,000 young people have seen the benefit of this Hanfod Cymru grant, and we're only halfway through the spend.
I gloi, dyma Candelas gyda Cyntan Bellach.